It's World Migratory Bird Day or اللي هو يوم الطيور المهاجرة، يوم هجرة الطيور اللي هو 14 ماي كل سنة. ده الويب سايت بتاعهم اللي هو World Migratory Birds Day.org. You can go in it. I will put in the description. You can register here, register your activity and make a registration and log in, request new password, okay, or register your activity, video, educational activity, festival, movie, media event, bird watching. It's good. So let's see this video about the message of this year 2022. The message about the to reduce the light pollution,
This year, World Migratory Bird Day is focusing on the issue of light pollution and its negative impacts on migratory birds. Light pollution is a significant and growing threat to wildlife, including many migratory birds. Each year, light pollution contributes to the death of millions of birds. It can change their migration patterns, foraging behaviors, and can attract and disorient them, making them more vulnerable to collisions and...
Selon certaines estimations, la quantité de lumière artificielle à la surface d'heures nocturnes, comme les canards, les oies, au sol, devenant ainsi des proies faciles pour d'autres animaux.
The good news is that solutions to address the impacts of light pollution are readily available, and many governments, cities, companies, and communities around the world have already taken steps to address light pollution. There has also been work in this area under the Convention on Migratory